We have the Vectrex 7" by 12" bandsaw. It's used. It's got some metal shavings on it. It does operate. Operates very nicely. What we're going to do is we're going to pull this up. Here is your hydraulic down feed. Turn the machine on. We test the coolant pump. The coolant pump operates nicely. 3-speed gearbox. It also operates very nice. Go back to the hydraulic down feed. And as the head comes down, this tab right here hits the switch. It turns the machine off. Has moderate signs of wear and use. Mainly metal shavings. Clean it up, it would be really nice. This is 1 horsepower, 220 volt. Here's your coolant pump. Device operates. Comes with 4 wheels, 2 casters, material stop, and a vertical plate for doing vertical cuts. And an instruction manual.